This was one of those recipes that it was just by accident. I just had some stuff and I put it together and I said, let me see how it will come out. And then, you know what? The ones that you're not really prepared for and wasn't measuring, sometimes those are the recipes that turns out the absolute best. So I'm going to call this, it tastes something, before we get into the name, this thing tastes something like a scone, but with oatmeal cookie dough kind of texture to the surface, but real nice and fluffy. But let's get into the ingredients. Here we have some sour cream, sugar, and butter. Then I added some nutmeg, vanilla extract, and some cinnamon, and some oats. I mix everything together, nothing too fancy. Then I add in some flour. Mix that in. I sift in flour, right? And I didn't smooth it out or nothing. I just rest it on the pan and I bake it for 20 minutes at 350 degrees, and that was it. That's how I get this perfection. So I'm just going to call this a roughed up oatmeal scones. Roughed up oatmeal scones. And you know what I had this with? Yes, this wine that you're seeing right now, this apple wine. Ugh, it was good with this apple wine. Check it out. Thanks for watching. Have a good one. Bye.